Page 26, A Very Special Day. Very beautiful piece. There's words to it, so you or somebody can sing along if you'd like. I don't sing it, but you can sing it if you want. They're just showing you another type of broken bass pattern. There's all kinds of broken bass patterns, and this is just taking a chord from... That's all that is. You can do it with any chord or whatever. If it's a 4-note chord, like a 5/7, then do the other one. The idea with this type of pattern, though, is it's the bottom note in most cases, because it comes on the main note or a main beat. A lot of times we will finger pedal that note. That means you're going to hold it down with the finger longer than the rhythm says to, so you can hear it longer. So instead of this, it's this. Because that way it brings it out more. It's interpretation. Here they've actually put in half notes for you, and look at the second line on Special Day in the left hand. They put in a half note. They're showing the two voices. The half note's one voice, and the eighth notes are the other. I'm getting ahead of myself, but that's the idea with this particular pattern. Now let's look at Special Day. I'll look it over. It's about 1.5 pages long. Treble bass clef, 1 flat in the key signature. We are in the key of F major, so do the scales and arpeggios for F major and D minor, because it has 1 flat. 4/4 time signature, right hand first. It's here. It's coming in on the and of 3. 3 and 4 and 3. And this eighth, that's only an eighth note. Like that. And then 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 4. We want to connect the melody. Let's look at the second line, third measure. Not a quarter note. It gets 1.5 counts. The quarter note gets a count. The dot gets a half. So that that C comes on the and of 2. 1 and 2 and then come down 4. We want to connect it with the hands. And then come up 4 and 1 and 2. And then to follow their fingering is pretty good. Page 27, second line, second measure. You're here and you come up, and they want here. It's a 4-5. You play it with the 4 and immediately put 5th finger on it. We want to connect the melody, and that's what we're doing. I do a lot of finger substitutions because I like to connect things. I like to feel the flow with the line, the melody, and I can do it better if I can finger it, connect it. Some people don't. They would do a 5 and all that. They would do that. Yeah, I think that's terrible. Just 4 here and do it immediately here. And then you use 2 again. The last line I'll talk about when I put the hands together. Left hand was, we talked about this already. And you can use 3 if you want to. That's about all you're doing. So let's put the hands together. Second line, 26, isn't it? Just hold that down. Together. Now hold that down. Now let's go down to the bottom, page 27. Last line. You're here. And again, 4/5. Here. I want to connect it. And a 1/3. Again. That's a half note. Because now I got all these notes down, and then here, and next to the last measure. Follow the stems. The stem's going up, right hand, stem's going down, left hand. Good luck with that. You were here. You come down. It's an F. Right hand. See, the way they've written it is like left hand plays the C. No, the right hand plays the C. Left hand comes in here. That's all you do. If you're doing the arpeggios, though, you can just finger it like an arpeggio. You just finger it like an arpeggio with one hand. All they've done is they've broken this up between the hands. That's all it is. You know, so pick a fingering, or your teacher, pick her fingering or his fingering, whoever it is. Now, once I get the hands together, then I'll go back over it just a little bit at a time, slowly, and work out the hesitations. Make sure you're holding these half notes down all over, that they are everywhere. It's too easy to forget about them. I get sloppy and then you're not holding them down anymore. Hold them down with the fingers. Never mind what the pedal is doing. Do it with the fingers. Then I add the articulation. It's very connected. You can lift up for the phrasing, follow the words. Lift up. Sometimes you get a rest, you have to lift up. Lift up. Lift up. I'm just lifting up for the phrasing. The left hand, I'm connecting it if I can. It's like on page 26, second line, third measure. We're here. I'm lifting up for the phrase here, but I'm connecting this. That's the only articulation I'm seeing. It's a very connected piece. Then the dynamics. It starts out soft. Now moderately loud. The left hand just in the background. You get a slight crescendo in the third line. You come up just a little bit. I'd suggest you come down and go back up. But if you want to be slightly louder than moderately loud, I guess. On page 27 at the end of the second line, you go. You're loud here. Yeah. And then come down to moderately loud. Because you're going to repeat now, back to the reverse repeat sign on page 26. Yeah. After the repeat, the third line on page 27, the last two measures, now you're soft, and you're going to stay soft. And I use fourth finger on that A each time. And then come down to very soft. And it should be clear to the listener at the end, the last two measures. This note is the last note of the song. The piece doesn't end until the last measure, but the song itself ended right there. And so it should be clear to the listener that all these other notes are afterthought, like a coda, just an after. It should be clear that you're these, that's it. And all of these are real soft. Yeah, pedal will help us out on that. Now, once I do the dynamics, I think about the speed. Andante moderate, just a leisure in the middle. How fast do you want the melody to go? How fast do you want a very special day or some very special day? Not too fast. The beat, how fast is it? I don't know and I don't care. It's how fast do I want to feel this melody. That's how fast I'm going to go. The beat will do its thing. Now it's interpretation here, but let's take a look at page 27, third line down. In the second measure, they have a retard. There's also a repeat sign. That's going to send you back to the second line on page 26. Now, you're going to repeat it one time because there's no endings here. You just repeat it, and then the second time you go on here. So, in my opinion, when you do it the first time you're going to repeat, don't retard. Just play it. Just keep going. Save the retard for the second time after. You're going to retard because now they want you to go slower. Well, you retarded. Now you're going to stay slow. however much you retarded, that's your speed from there to the end. And actually you get another retard and dim even slower here. So you're even slowing down more. It's felt. Experiment with the different speeds and slowing down, and how do you feel it? Now once you have all that figured out, now we add the pedal. Oh goody. It's going to be overlapping pedal. It's legato pedal. The notes go down first and then the pedal. And we're not pedaling everything. We don't want to smear up the melody, but it is kind of nice to help connect the repeated notes and to give us some overtones, because it's slow enough people have time to hear it. And we'd like to have the overtones. Adds a little color to the sound. So at the beginning, the notes first and then the pedal. I'm changing the pedal right after I play the note. And I'll lift it up. I didn't pedal that. Now again, pedal. Change. And I'm lifting the pedal right after I play the half note. That's the way it's pedaled throughout. At the bottom of page 27, that line. Don't pedal that note, and now pedal. And pedal this. And at the end, the note and the pedal, everything comes up together. That's the pedaling. It's my impression of the pedal. If I played it again, I would play it differently. I play it different every time I play by feel. Remember the last selections. 1, 2, 3 on these, whatever they are. You want a feeling like of motion. You kind of go on to here. Ba, 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 ba. Put in a slight crescendo, just a slight. Land on that note a little bit. Ba, 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 ba. Don't exaggerate it. It's a felt thing. Experiment with the melody and see how expressive you can get this melody. And just keep the accompaniment out of the way. Ugh.